Hey guys, Jesus McDonald here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So, WordPress 5.5 came out yesterday. I don't even know what day it is. And it came out with a lot of cool features. It came out with security updates, search, speed. And one thing that it did was automatic updates, which has the potential to break your WordPress website if you're unaware. So we, meaning me and the website development team, have been having in and out meetings yesterday and today. And if you're one of my customers, don't worry about it. You're well taken care of. It's been our top priority for us. Now, if you do have a WordPress website and you haven't checked your WordPress website yesterday or today, you might want to check your WordPress website just to make sure it's not broken, okay? And if it is broken, just reach out to your WordPress website developer. And if you don't have a developer, send me a direct message. We'll take care of you. It's what we do best.